Hey guys, Dim here. Welcome back to another airsoft video. This is part 2 of my Warminster with the Wolves airsoft video series. This is just some more footage really of me just attacking, and at the end there's going to be like 1 or 2 little sniper kills. I am working on a scope camera as well. It's just a little bit hard to get decent sniper rifle footage without one. So stay tuned for that as well. But yeah, this is just some kind of odds and ends. And yeah, enjoy! I normally do hit markers on these videos. There's going to be some that look like I hit them, but I can't actually see on the footage. I know I did get a bunch of guys, and there was me and a bunch of guys shooting each other, but I'm not 100% sure because I can't see it on the footage. So there's only going to be some hit markers of the ones I'm definitely sure of. Guys! Who's that? Siemens! Siemens! It's me! It's Sim! All along that building! Where that building is! Yeah. All along here! My 12. Hit! Good shot, mate. Good shot. Medic! Dead player! Okay. He's got his hands up, guys! It's me! Oh shit. Let him see me. Let him see me. Ready? Go! Yeah, do it. I think I may have hit him. He stopped firing. Yeah. Smoke's out. Hit! Nice one. Bounced off the webbing. Medic! Oh, it just curves up sometimes, this fucking gun. Got him. Now that I got on film, I hope. It's behind that tower bit.
Can you hit as far as the tower?
Yeah, I can get it. It's just there's a lot of trees in the way of him. I can see him. It's just trying to get a shot through it. It's going to be the problem. I'm learning where this rifle can go as well, but as soon as it hits a twig, it's fucked. He's in between that tower and that rusty barricade with the white white pole sticking out. If I can get a better angle, I can probably get him. Oh, there's another one. Oh no, he's moving back. Okay, I can. I can probably get this guy. Yeah, I can range him. I got him.
Up and down.
Changing mag. He's down. Very close.